Welcome to DJMTV.
Once again to DJMTV. Make my door to the follow us, like, share, subscribe. As I have they bring all the ogbonge to read they come your way. And today news, all of us know this popular Mr. Ray, where he work with the band. He don't come out to talk about wetin the band do and when they work with them. In fact, he don't talk say he regret working with the band as he work for the band reach. The band not give am money. He not give am better money. Say the band still dey hold am up to date. My people, I wan play una the highlights make una hear how it yarn this matter. Watch these highlights reach the end.
He's a stingy man. The band is a stingy man. If I die and the band no settle me before I die,
bros, you no go die.
after working for the band for more than 2 years, the only thing I gain from this man is $500.
For what?
I don't know. Maybe not for moi. Maybe if not for agidi. Maybe if not for the para. Because I'm not forget all this OG you want because an OG does that mean I shouldn't say my faith? I shouldn't say the truth. Because it's an OG that I'm disrespecting an OG. You know how old I am? Are you mad? Me and the band don't always stay. They say, go call me for shows. I will go without asking for money. And they tell you, I go perform without asking for money. I will go to birthdays without asking for money. You will take me to this man. They carry me along. They carry me up and down. They show people as your artist. Do you understand? And you know, say when you don't, they show people like this, say now your personal. You yourself no go on na Bengali. Do you understand? Baba, because of this man, people on my streets felt I was stingy.
Oh wow. Because if you say they see the money.
Because if you say I did you let's deal with Bengali, Oliver Twist. He now brought this Epara platform. Epara platform.
What was that about? What was that about?
Now what thing they call in platform now? No be Epara platform.
Music platform, cream. But a big platform when the whole world know now.
I did 2 years. Access Bank was part of this Epara platform. I will show you everything. Now small thing. Hold on. Okay. I go start from. I want to say something today. You know, so you don't get one day where I wake up. I can't look my surroundings and I look the life where they live now. I look at my kids. I don't almost call my children. I say, come. I want to make swear for Banga. This is what they tell you.
Until come your way again with another ogbonge to you, make una do it to the stay safe for una. So
DJ